Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to track my website visitors for free using visitor tracking. Try visitor tracking for free by using the link provided in the description below. First, I'll show you how to monitor what each visitor is doing on your site, including the pages they visit, how long they stay, and any conversions they trigger. Second, I'll explain how to identify the source of each visitor, whether they arrived via Google, an ad, or any other marketing channel you've set up. Finally, I'll guide you through the process of setting up conversions, such as tracking how many visitors sign up for your free offers or make a purchase. Setting up the tool is easy. First, enter your website name and link on the website. You'll see the code on the right side. Just copy it. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then select Add New. Search for Header Script and install one of the available options. Click Activate, then navigate to the Header Footer Code Manager, HFCM. Fill in the required fields and paste the copied code. Finally, click Save. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll find three tabs: the Aggregate Analytics, Live Visitors, and Session Tracking. You can compare your current month's sessions with previous months and set custom durations. However, the standout feature of this tool is the Visitors tab, where you can see detailed activity for every visitor to your site, including the specific pages they viewed and their traffic source. For example, you can easily see that a visitor came from Google or YouTube. You'll also be able to track conversions, showing if a visitor completed an action you set up in the tool. Additionally, you can explore each customer's journey through your website, including all their sessions leading up to a conversion. This is particularly useful since many visitors don't make a purchase or sign up on their first visit. By reviewing their journey, you can see how many visits they made before converting, which helps you understand the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. In the Visitors tab, you can also search for specific pages to see if people are visiting them. For instance, if you want to know how many visitors landed on a particular page from Google, you can simply type Google and view the relevant data. This insight helps you identify which pages are performing well in terms of SEO and traffic. Another great feature is the ability to track conversions easily. You can quickly set up conversion tracking for specific events or page visits by choosing a color for the conversion and entering the page URL. This setup is much simpler compared to other tools. For example, if a customer submits a form or makes a purchase, they'll typically be redirected to a thank you page. You can take the URL of that thank you page, enter it into visitor tracking, and determine the percentage of visitors who reached that page, giving you a clear picture of your conversion rate. You can also establish funnels for more complex processes, setting all relevant pages in your funnel and tracking specific events, such as button clicks. The tool allows you to click directly on the button you want to track, automatically adding it for you. One of the best parts is that you receive automatic insights on each conversion, along with trends compared to previous periods. Overall, this tool is excellent for tracking multiple websites, as you can view all metrics and trends in one place. In summary, that's how you can effectively track your website visitors. Don't forget to try visitor tracking for free by using the link provided in the description below.